Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 amazing Ikea products that are all under $15. A lot of these items are my favorite things to buy from Ikea. They're all really affordable, really functional, and always look super cute around your home. So I hope this video can help you guys and inspire some new ideas for your home. Before we get started, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Click the red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned on so you never miss a video. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first item I want to share with you guys from Ikea is actually hardware. I found these really great simple shiny brass knobs from Ikea, and they came in a little 2-pack for $6.99. I love using these to update a space like a kitchen, a bathroom, your cabinetry, a dresser, anything that's becoming dated or looks like it needs a little bit of updating. Definitely just try and switch out the hardware before you buy a whole new piece. So I love finding ones from Ikea. They're always really timeless and simple. Like, these are super simple. They're just flat round knobs, but the shiny brass would just take whatever it is to the next level. These are very safe, I would say. So I think this is a great item to put in this list. I think these also came in silver and black, and I'm pretty sure all the other hardware at Ikea does as well. So you have so many different options, but if you guys are on a budget and want to update a space, definitely consider changing out your hardware, and I think it would take your space to the next level. This next item is a must-have from Ikea, and it's the simple jar and lid, and I love this little combo. It's an amazing glass jar. I love the quality of it. I love the size of it. I think it's very substantial on a countertop, and this lid is, first of all, super cute because it's nice and wood and natural looking, but it also seals in whatever you're keeping in there. So for me, I'm going to be keeping my coffee grinds in here because right now it's just sitting in a bag on my countertop, and I want them sealed and displayed on a jar so you could put a little spoon in there, a little scoop, and keep the coffee nice and fresh. These can be used for like everything. Anything that you have a lot of, even pens and cotton balls and coffee pods and elastic bands, anything that you have a lot of and you want to access really easily can go in a simple jar like this. And these products are actually sold separately. The jar is $5.99 and the lid is $3. So altogether, you have an under $10 super cute jar to hold anything you need. So I think it's a great way of organizing and decorating all at the same time under $15. So this next Ikea product is something I've been obsessed with for so long. It is such a great decorating piece. It's super functional and it looks very high-end and expensive, so I can't believe that it's under $15. It's the salmon hang round glass and brass shelf, and I cannot get over this shelf. It's so stunning. So it comes in pieces and I don't really have it installed yet, but look how gorgeous and simple the shelf is. It comes with this little bracket that just attaches to the wall, and I think it's so great for putting on top of a side table, to put your coffee on beside your chair. Like, it's just stunning, and I think it just looks like wall jewelry, to be honest. I cannot believe the price of this. It is $12.99, way under $15. It's amazing. This is such an underrated product at Ikea. I feel like I've never seen anyone have it in their home. I'm not really sure why, because I want to buy like 100 of these now and stick them everywhere. It seems to have really easy setup. It just comes with little screws and its bracket to hold it to the wall. So I am really excited to have this in the house now. I have been staring at it since I saw it in the store, so it had to make this top 10 list. It is such an amazing piece from Ikea. Let me know down below if you guys have ever seen these before, if you have them in your home, but this is my new obsession. Wall jewelry. This next Ikea product is probably the most affordable thing on this list. It's super functional. Every single person could probably use this for their morning routine or nighttime routine. And it's this beautiful blush pink mug, and it's super simple. I love this new color scheme that's coming out at Ikea. I love this paired with their turquoise colors and their whites. I just think it's super girly and happy. It's $2.49, so that's pretty much like a dollar store price for a mug, and yeah, I think it's the perfect size. I love the shape of it. It's not like super straight and typical. It has some kind of style to it. I love updating my mugs. I love a good solid color, beautiful, simple mug like this. If you guys are looking for some nice, cute little mugs, Ikea is your place to find them. This next Ikea product is super trendy, usually super expensive, so that's why it's on this list as an amazing deal and an amazing find. And it's this real baby fiddle leaf fig tree, and look how cute this is. Super perfect. It's $14.99, so just under $15. I'm gonna help it grow and water it, and hopefully I can have my first real fiddle leaf fig tree. The leaves are in perfect condition. It's shiny, it's looking tall kind of already. And I also picked up this little pot. It didn't come with it. It actually comes in this little plastic pot. So I just put it right inside of there for now before I actually like plant it. But how cute is this for $15? Like if you wanted to buy an already big fiddle leaf fig tree, you might be spending like $200. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm buying this $15 baby and I'll help it grow. If you guys are looking for plants, a lot of people forget to look at Ikea, but Ikea has the really trendy ones, the ones that you see on Pinterest in all the rooms filled with plants. They have palm leaf plants, they have succulents, they have fiddle leaf figs, and they have so many other options. So definitely don't forget to check out Ikea if you guys are looking for some plants. I love adding plants to a space. It really adds some life and some color. So if you guys are looking for something similar, you guys know where to find it. This next Ikea product is one of my favorites, and it is the classic Ikea basket. I think it's a great multi-purpose item. You can hide kids' toys in there, you can layer your extra throw blankets in there, extra throw pillows, or use it as a little plant basket for like a faux plant or a real plant. It has so many different purposes, and that's why you can just buy them endlessly, because you can use them all over your home. You can store your towels in it, you know, you could just go on and on of these purposes. I also love that it's super easy to DIY. You can attach little tassels on the side, you can paint these to really customize them to your space. So I think they're just great overall products to have. I think the name of this basket is the Flattest Basket, and it goes for $14.99, so just at $15. And just looking at it one more time, you could actually probably take this out even to like the beach and use this as like a little beach bag basket type thing to hold snacks or your towels or something. I don't know, I just like the little handles on them. I like that it's kind of slouchy, and it also matches with so many different interior styles. I think it looks great in boho interiors, in very minimalistic interiors, in farmhouse interiors, like literally everything. So it always looks good wherever you put it. It's kind of a safe buy again. And I found some more great baskets from Ikea under $15 again. This is a deal, this little set. This is a little set of 3 for $14.99. So again, just at $15. They were actually all stacked inside of each other. So when you see it at Ikea, you only see this big one because all the other ones are stacked inside of it. Just love the tiny sizes of these. I think it's great for styling shelves because if you stack them like this, you're kind of adding a really unexpected shape. And I also think these would look great styled in a bathroom, and they'd be very functional. You could store your Q-tips in the small one, cotton balls in this one, and tissues in the other. So I think these would be amazing little on the counter decorative but functional pieces, and instead of buying them individually, you can get 3 for $14.99. This next item from Ikea is something super decorative, trendy, and I think very functional. You probably have seen them everywhere, but it's a great big long picture ledge for $14.99. I got this one in white. This is the larger size one. So these look really, really great on top of your sofa, to really decorate on top of there, on top of your bed. And it's a really fun and easy way to create a gallery wall, so you don't have to install every single picture frame. You can kind of lean them up on this picture ledge. It's supposed to look a little messy and layered. So I'm super excited to have this. I know they have it in 2 different sizes. There's one that's half of this length, and they also have it in finishes that are wood or black. If any of you guys are looking to do some kind of gallery wall and you're a little overwhelmed by the whole process, maybe a picture ledge is more for you. So again, a super versatile and functional piece from Ikea for $14.99. This next Ikea product you might recognize from my last Ikea Shop With Me video. That's when I found these and fell in love with them. They are these amazing little silicone baking cups that have saved my baking so many times. Nothing burns when you use these, nothing gets stuck to the pan. These are just a lifesaver. They pop right out of the muffin tray, they pop right off of the muffin, so nothing gets stuck to them. I'm no longer peeling paper off muffins, I'm not wasting paper by doing that. So these have been great, and they're also such a cute color. Like, look at that nice color scheme, love that. So if you guys haven't tried out silicone baking cups, I think it's a must in the kitchen now, so it absolutely needed to be added to this top 10 list. If you guys like to bake or cook and really use muffin trays a lot, you need to try these. This last Ikea product is something that you see all over the Ikea showroom. You see it used in so many different ways, in kitchens, in mud rooms, in art rooms, in garages. Like, this thing could be used everywhere. So I think it's an amazing buy. I've bought it before and used it for my coffee bar. So if you guys remember seeing that, you guys will know exactly what this is. I bought a brand new one, so it's still in the box. So I'll show you guys what it looks like around Ikea and how they display everything. But it's this really cool rod and hanging system. So it comes with this rod that you attach to the wall. This is $9.99, so again, under $15. It looks super sleek. It's just a black bar that gets attached with these little pretty brackets. And then you get the $4.99 hangers that slide across the bar. And for me, I use these to hang my mugs and my coffee bar. At Ikea, they display them around kitchens, hanging utensils, plants, that kind of thing. This time I decided to buy 3 of these little buckets that attach to the rod. I was thinking these would look really cool at kind of like a creative desk space. Instead of storing your pens and art supplies on top of your desk, I thought hanging them across the wall and using these little buckets as a place to hold pens and erasers and pencil crayons and paint, whatever you need. I think this is a really decorative way of doing it, and also just a creative way of decorating your wall. And these little pots that are sold with it are $6.99. So I definitely had to include this little hanging system as part of the top 10 Ikea list because it is definitely a must-have. It's a super creative way of hanging and organizing things, and I think it looks built-in and customized. Plus, it's super affordable. So I hope this video inspired you all to start decorating and organizing your home with some new affordable Ikea pieces. Nothing has to be too expensive to get a really nice looking space, so always remember that there are super affordable pieces that look fantastic. If you enjoyed watching today's video, please give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And if you haven't already, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Click the red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned on so you never miss a video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!